How to contact customer service on Facebook. So first, go to your Facebook app, and then you just need to tap on your name here at the top right. Now here, scroll down and look for help and support. Tap on that, and then tap on report a problem. Once you're here, you just need to look for continue to report a problem. Tap on this one. Now Facebook will create a report, so you just need to wait for this to load. Now after that, you just need to scroll down and tap on include. Now here, just select the product that you're having a problem with. So for example, you're having a problem with your Facebook feed. You just need to tap on this one and then describe the issue here. So after describing the issue here, just type in here. If you want to record your screen to upload an evidence of the problem, you can just tap on record screen and then record it from your phone. Now if you already have the recording, you just need to tap on upload from phone and then upload your recording from there. Now after that, you just need to tap on send here and Facebook will get back to you. Alright, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.